In the vast silence of empty fields, a new technology is making waves. Literally. Acoustic holography, a cutting edge innovation, allows sound waves to be shaped and directed with precision. Imagine a farmer standing in a field using sound to guide drones for crop monitoring. This technology can create 3D soundscapes, revolutionizing agriculture by enabling remote pest control and precise irrigation. It's not just about sound, it's about transforming how we interact with the environment. As sound waves echo, they carry the promise of a smarter, more efficient future,